Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to my tutorial of how to update your GSM Razr to official Jelly Bean. Now this tutorial is the original thread from the Razr guy on XDA. He also made a video tutorial. It is up right now and you can see those links to the videos on YouTube. And in case you are not satisfied with my commentary on this text instructions here, you can watch these also, very good tutorials, and I like his work. Very nice on YouTube, very nice videos. And let's begin with this tutorial and do the easy steps first. Now what you have to do is reflash ICS to your device so that you have a clean base. That's easy. Now just note that of course you will lose all your apps, that's self-explaining. And yeah, the internal storage of course is not deleted, so you will keep your photos and stuff and all the other things, songs and pictures and videos, they will not be deleted. Just go to the Google search on your computer and search for the Razr fastboot files. So just type Razr fastboot files in Google search and you will find the right ones for the Razr in the USA and the fastboot files 2nd of October for the EU and Asia in XDA. Download them, or one of these of course, and unzip them in your computer. It will have a name like this here: Europe, Australia, 1 GB. Unzip it, and yeah, that's all for now. Yeah, let's begin with this. When you want to fast boot your device, just download the Motorola SD Lite, which will allow to flash the firmware, the original firmware 4.0.4. Plug in your USB and reboot to fastboot mode. Hold all these 3 buttons here at the same time. And when the display turns black, just hold these 2 and you will get to the bootloader section, in which you can choose what to do. Just go to AP fastboot and hit volume up. Now you're in fastboot mode and here it says it's connected. After a while it shows up here, status connected, and go to these 3 dots here. Then double click the XML document. It shows up in the folder, all files, and double click it. This is the actual fastboot file, and start the procedure. I will not do that now because I already have the Jelly Bean kernel. And start and wait till it reboots. And note one thing, it's very dangerous when you're under 50% of your battery. Just make sure your phone is charged more than 40-50%, because when you run out of juice in this process, your phone is bricked and you will have to charge your battery manually by taking off this plate here and charge it manually with a modded USB cable, wrapping it around contacts here. This is not a nice thing to do and I will not recommend it, definitely. Yeah. So just wait till it reboots your phone And now we have to root it. For rooting, just reboot your phone, of course. For rebooting, just tap once the power button. And boot your phone. And for rooting your phone 4.0.4, it's a very easy thing. Just download the Razr root 4.0.4. Just type this phrase into the Google search and you will get the file very fast. Download the zip file, it's called Razr root 404. Unzip it and you will get this folder. That's the new boot animation. Yeah, of Jelly Bean. And you will get this content here of the folder, and the important thing is this one. So just reboot your phone in ICS. Make sure USB debugging is enabled. Plug in your USB cable and double click this. And when it's connected, just press any key to move on. And of course, oh man, this will not find any phone yet, but believe me, it's working flawless. It will reboot your phone several times, but that's okay. So just do this. And now let's move on to the next step. Yeah, now it's important that you remove the CID of your phone and backup it. So just download the terminal emulator in the Google Play Store. Terminal emulator. Type SU. And you have to grant it super user permission. It will ask you. Not now, because I already have granted these permissions. Don't worry. Now you have super user in terminal emulator. What you have to do now is copy and paste this phrase here. It's case sensitive, so make sure you copy and paste it. So all these spaces here are correct, in the correct places. Then you have already backed them up. Huh? Oh, my English is not perfect. But now you will find them in the internal storage. So just connect it via USB. And you will find them. I will show you where you find them. Not them. It's only one. Only one file. Go to open folder, and this is the internal storage of your phone. Go to the bottom and you will find it here. It's not in one folder, it's just a file down here. Just copy it and paste it to your internal storage of your PC. Now you're good to go, and let's move on. What you have to do now is install the boot menu manager. When you open it, go to installer. So just download it from the Play Store and then go to installer. That will install the hijack and all the stuff. Then go to manager. Grant it super user permissions and make sure all these are on. And yeah, that's already it for the boot menu manager. Now go to your PC and yeah, you have to download all these files now. So yeah, Jelly Bean OTA, Jelly Bean GSM patch, Jelly Bean kernel, and this bin file. And go to this folder, Jelly Bean dual boot. No, that's not the right folder. Yeah, let's see. So just download all these files and unzip all zip files. You will find them here in the Windows. Yeah, so for fastboot folder. Now, when you have downloaded them, just go to your fastboots folder. It's a zip, and unzip it, and you will get this folder. Go to Windows when you are using a Windows PC. Just cut it out, cut it, and paste it here. And you will get this file here, fastboot.x. And let's see what we have to do now. Switch your phone off and then boot into AP fastboot mode. Yeah, I did it too, so why I actually read it here, I can show you what I mean. So just go to your fastboot mode again. And now we actually delete the CID from our phone. So this CID actually checks if we are using the right kernel for the right country. But oh my god. We don't want that, of course, and we have to delete it. Go to your new folder where all these things are in. So yeah, it's already in the video of him, so you can also watch it. But place all the unzipped things here, including the fastboot.x from Windows or Mac or anything here, and open a command prompt. Make sure your device is connected via USB and it's in the fastboot mode with a more than 40% charged battery. Hold the switch button, the switch key, and the right click on your mouse, tap it once and open a command prompt in this folder where all these files are in. And in this command prompt you have to place these codes, these fastboot codes here. So copy this one, paste it, and copy this one and paste it and press enter. So after the first one, press enter, second one, press enter. Oh, actually do this now. So copy this one. No, you can't use the key combination. Waiting for device, of course. Then go ahead and do this with the next one. Press enter. And the next one, paste it and press enter. Now you have to actually use BP tools to reboot your phone. That's because phone will not boot in the normal mode. So go ahead and press power key to power down. This hasn't worked. Now use a BP. Oh, no, don't do that. So reboot your phone using BP tools. Just go to the bottom of this page here and use BP tools and reboot. and wait till the phone is booted up, and go to your fastboot mode again. And when you're in fastboot mode, make sure your USB is plugged in, your USB cable. And now we have to flash the Jelly Bean kernel, and go to your command prompt and copy and paste this code here, this one. Paste it and press enter. This will flash the Jelly Bean kernel, and Android icon appears. Yeah. Yeah, the thing is, you had to download, of course, the Jelly Bean OTA and the GSM patch and place these two in your phone storage. But when you haven't done that, actually, it's not a huge deal. You have to place them on your external SD. So now we can... Now, just, what I'm telling you right now, just reboot your phone again with BP Tools and wait till the Android icon appears. I will use normal power up right now. You have to choose BP Tools after flashing the Jelly Bean kernel. So I will do this now, normal power up. And what I mean is that you now have to enter the custom recovery of Boot Menu Manager. Just tap once, go to recovery, select it. Now you're in recovery. So now you have to actually just wipe cache, data cache and data. And you will find it here, wipe and clean. So do all these three things here, data and cache, factory reset, wipe cache and data cache. Do all these three ones here. Then go to mounts and data, mounts and storage. It's now called mounts and format. So mount system and data. Make sure it's like this here, mount system, mount data. And then you can flash the zip package. Go to install zip package. Install zip from storage. Now when you have placed it on the external SD, what I recommend, when it's not already on your external SD, just take it out, place it on your PC, place the two files, Jelly Bean OTA and GSM patch. Don't unzip them, just place them on your external SD. Then reboot using BP Tools again. Go to your recovery, go to change file location and go to external SD, and then to install zip. Go to your download folder or every folder where you have placed it. Flash the GSM, the Moto Blur, this one here. You see it's for the XT912. And install that. And then you have to install the Jelly Bean GSM patch. now you have the Jelly Bean installed. And don't exit recovery, go to your system keeper. So go to system keeper and install boot menu manager. Now this boot menu manager recovery is the new one. This one is the older one, which he explains here. So now it's called system keeper, of course, but not it's not called install hijack anymore. It's called install boot menu manager. Main system, so tap this one here. And done installing. Then power off the phone and again select BP tools. So the smart person is doing this. Reboot option and reboot to bootloader. Now this will boot into your bootloader and you can install, no, you can select the BP tools. Just hold these again. And you're in the fastboot mode, the bootloader mode. Now select BP tools again. Reboot, holy shit. Reboot in with the BP tools. And then I use normal power up right now. Then you are good to go and have Jelly Bean over-the-air update installed, and it's official and it's working. The camera is working and 4.1.2 is freaking fast. So I hope this tutorial helped you a little bit, and yeah, this was my tutorial for the Jelly Bean installed on your Droid Razr, on the GSM Razr. Now you have Jelly Bean, and don't forget to install Boot Menu Manager again. Then you have all the functions, and when you want to switch over to SafeStrap, uninstall the boot menu hijack and use SafeStrap instead. But don't use both, you will end up in a boot loop, and that's not what we all want. Then you can go ahead and install some nice ROMs like this one here, the JellyWiz RLS5. And guys, have fun with your phone. I hope my medium English knowledge helped you and you will have Jelly Bean installed. And I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.